Which of the following answers refers to biometric authentication methods implemented in modern laptops? So let's take a look at like a MacBook Pro. Do you have one? If you don't, I recommend them. I like MacBook Pros, even though I don't have a Mac phone or Apple phone. Don't like the Apple phones, but I love their laptops. M1 and up silicone, so goated, so good. Let me know in the comments below what you think of MacBooks. Anyways, so if you're not familiar with MacBooks, they have similar authentication to Apple devices. Other than, wait, they don't have Face ID. I just realized that. That is one of our answers though, facial recognition, because remember, biometrics is anything that scans or uses your biological features to access security. So your face recognition, it's your face, and it's used to unlock something. That would be an answer. An authentication app does not use your biometrics. GPS reading, Jesus, GPS does not use your biometrics. NFC or near field scanner features do not use biometrics. Your fingerprint scanner, that is a biological trait. So fingerprint scanner and face. Biological stuff, biometric authentication methods.